Just kidding. Decoding the playful phrase, JK, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into a fun and commonly used English phrase, JK, which stands for just kidding. This phrase is a staple in informal English communication, especially in digital conversations. If you're ready to add some playful expressions to your English vocabulary, you're in the right place. JK is an abbreviation for just kidding. It's used to indicate that what was said before should not be taken seriously. It's a way to lighten the tone of a conversation or to signal a joke. In English, humor and sarcasm can sometimes be hard to detect, especially in written form. That's where JK comes in handy. It's a quick, friendly way to say, I'm not being serious. In text messages and online chats, JK is most commonly used in texting and online messaging. After making a joke or a sarcastic comment, you can add JK to make sure the other person knows you're just being playful. In casual conversations, while less common, JK can also be used in spoken English among friends or in casual settings. It's often said quickly and with a light-hearted tone. What to avoid? Be cautious using JK in formal situations or with people you're not very familiar with. It's a very informal phrase and might not be appropriate in serious or professional contexts. 1. I ate all your cookies, JK. 2. You're not invited to the party. Just kidding. 3. I'm the best singer in the world, JK. I can't even hold a tune. These examples show how JK can turn a potentially offensive or surprising statement into something funny and harmless. Understanding the cultural context of JK is important. It's a phrase that reflects the informality and playfulness of modern English, especially among younger speakers and in online communications. However, it's crucial to understand the tone and relationship between the people communicating. What's playful in one context might be misunderstood in another. And there you have it, JK, decoded. We hope this video has been both informative and fun, giving you a glimpse into the playful side of English. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expression and connection. So go ahead, sprinkle your conversations with a little JK when appropriate, and keep learning with a smile. See you in our next video.